Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2012 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez Compliant, returning up to 43 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 10, and the car's covered just over 32,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Moondust Silver and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we look inside, you have the nice clean interior. The front passengers have two cup holders in the centre, and this car on the dashboard has your FM radio with your Bluetooth for your phone and also a CD player. And then below that you have your air conditioning as well as your button for your quick clear windscreen, so ideal for the winter months. And on the left hand stalk there, this car's got the factory option of the voice control. And then on the driver's door card, you've got your front window switch and also your folding door mirror controls there as well. Being a 5-door version, nice and practical, so good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's a cup holder there in the centre for rear passengers as well. And as we go to the tailgate on the Fiesta, you have the good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have a spare wheel, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 15-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance for just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.